Welcome to this video that will change your perspective on how you eat and live. Did you know that plant-based diets can not only transform your health but also save the planet? Today, I'll explain why these diets are a silent revolution and how you can easily incorporate them into your life. Stay with me because this could be the beginning of a new chapter in your life. Eating is one of the most important decisions we make every day. Every bite we take not only affects our health but also has a significant impact on the environment. This is where plant-based diets come into play, a trend that has gained traction in recent years. But what exactly does a plant-based diet mean? It's not the same as being vegan or vegetarian. This type of diet focuses on primarily consuming plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds, but it doesn't necessarily exclude animal products. In other words, it's a flexible and adaptable diet that prioritizes the benefits of plant-based foods without imposing absolute restrictions. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know about this lifestyle, from its incredible health benefits and its positive impact on the environment to practical recipes and strategies to ensure you get all the essential nutrients. The challenge we face as a society, the problem we face as a society is severe. The statistics are alarming. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, non-communicable diseases like type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and certain types of cancer are directly linked to diets high in ultra-processed foods and excessive animal products. In addition, the environmental impact of these dietary choices is devastating. Industrial livestock farming accounts for approximately 14.5% of global greenhouse gas emissions. This, combined with deforestation, excessive water use, and biodiversity loss, makes it clear that we urgently need a change. Plant-based diets emerge as a viable and effective solution. Studies have shown that those who adopt this type of diet have a lower risk of developing chronic diseases and significantly reduce their carbon footprint. However, many people hesitate to make the transition because they believe it will be complicated or that they won't get the necessary nutrients like protein, iron, or vitamin B12. Throughout this video, we'll debunk these myths and show you how. Health benefits of plant-based diets. Now that we've seen the big picture of plant-based diets, it's time to dive into one of the most fascinating aspects of this eating style, the benefits it has for your health. From disease prevention to improvements in your daily well-being, these advantages are backed by extensive scientific research. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide. However, numerous studies have shown that diets rich in plant-based foods are associated with significant reductions in LDL cholesterol, the so-called bad cholesterol, blood pressure, and inflammation levels in the body. For example, a meta-analysis published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that people following predominantly plant-based diets had up to a 25% lower risk of developing cardiovascular diseases. This is mainly due to the high content of fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Another major benefit of plant-based diets is their ability to prevent and manage type 2 diabetes. By focusing on fiber-rich foods with a low glycemic index, this type of diet helps stabilize blood sugar levels. A study published in Diabetes Care showed that those who adopt a plant-based diet are 34% less likely to develop type 2 diabetes. Additionally, people already living with this condition may experience significant improvements in glucose levels and insulin sensitivity. Digestive health is directly related to fiber intake, and plant-based diets are naturally rich in this nutrient. Fiber not only regulates bowel movements but also feeds beneficial bacteria in the gut, strengthening the gut microbiome and reducing the risk of conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. While no diet can guarantee total cancer prevention, research has found that plant-based diets can significantly reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as colon and breast cancer. This is largely due to the abundance of antioxidants, phytochemicals, and anti-inflammatory compounds in plant-based foods. A study by the American Institute for Cancer Research found that consuming at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables a day can reduce the risk of colorectal cancer by up to 30%. By prioritizing natural and unprocessed foods, plant-based diets provide a wide range of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to maintain a strong immune system. Nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and selenium are abundant in fruits, vegetables, and nuts, helping your body fight infections and reduce chronic inflammation. Beyond preventing diseases, Many people report significant improvements in daily energy, sleep quality, and overall mood after adopting a plant-based diet. This can be attributed to reduced consumption of ultra-processed foods and better nutrient balance. Environmental impact of plant-based diets. In addition to health benefits, plant-based diets have a positive impact on something that concerns us all, the environment. In this section, we'll explore how our food choices can reduce our ecological footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future for the planet. Meat and dairy production is one of the leading sources of greenhouse gas emissions worldwide. According to a report by the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, of the United Nations, livestock accounts for approximately 14.5% of global emissions, more than all emissions from the transportation sector combined. Methane, a potent greenhouse gas produced by ruminant animals like cows and sheep, is one of the main culprits. Additionally, deforestation to create pastures and croplands for livestock feed exacerbates the problem. Animal-based food production requires a disproportionate amount of natural resources. For example, producing 1 kilogram of beef requires approximately 15,000 liters of water, while 1 kilogram of lentils requires only about 250 liters. In addition to water, land is another resource that is inefficiently used. Large tracts of land are dedicated to growing livestock feed instead of food directly consumable by humans. This system is not only unsustainable but also contributes to biodiversity loss. It's not just livestock that affects the environment, industrial fishing also has devastating consequences. Trawling techniques destroy marine ecosystems and have led to the overexploitation of many fish species. A plant-based diet reduces pressure on the oceans, promoting the regeneration of these vital ecosystems. Environmental benefits of plant-based diets. By choosing plant-based foods, you drastically reduce the carbon footprint associated with food production. A study by the University of Oxford found that vegan diets can cut food-related emissions by up to 73%. Even a flexitarian diet, which includes small amounts of animal products, can make a significant difference. Switching to a plant-based diet also means more efficient use of natural resources. Crops grown for human consumption take up less space and require less water than livestock production. This allows degraded lands to regenerate and preserves water resources for future generations. Deforestation for industrial livestock farming and monoculture crops for livestock feed has led to the loss of critical habitats for countless species. By reducing meat consumption, we help protect biodiversity and allow ecosystems to recover. Practical and delicious recipes for a plant-based diet. Adopting a plant-based diet doesn't have to be complicated or boring. In fact, one of the biggest surprises for those making the transition is discovering how varied and delicious it can be. Here, I'll share practical, accessible, and flavorful recipes that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. 1. Breakfast. Creamy oatmeal with fruits and seeds. Oatmeal is a versatile, affordable, and nutrient-packed food. For a complete breakfast, try this recipe. 1. Ingredients. 1/2 cup of oats, 1 cup of plant-based milk, almond, coconut, or oat. Fresh fruits, banana, strawberries, blueberries, 1 teaspoon of chia or flax seeds, a handful of walnuts or almonds. Cook the oats with the plant-based milk until it reaches a creamy texture. Serve in a bowl, add the fruits, seeds, and nuts. Optionally, sweeten with a bit of honey or agave syrup. Benefits. High in fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats, this recipe will keep you satisfied all morning. 2. Lunch. Quinoa bowl with vegetables and hummus. A quinoa bowl is a perfect option for a quick, nutritious, and balanced lunch. 1. Ingredients. 1 cup of cooked quinoa, steamed vegetables, broccoli, carrot, zucchini, 1/2 avocado, 2 tablespoons of hummus, fresh spinach or kale. Sesame seeds for garnish. Use quinoa as the base in a bowl. Add the steamed vegetables, sliced avocado, and a dollop of hummus in the center. Garnish with fresh spinach and sesame seeds. Benefits. This bowl is packed with plant-based proteins, fiber, and antioxidants, ideal for keeping your energy levels up throughout the afternoon. 3. Dinner. Lentil tacos with avocado sauce. A healthy and delicious twist on traditional tacos. 1. Ingredients. 1 cup of cooked lentils, corn or whole wheat tortillas, 1 diced tomato, 1/2 diced red onion, fresh cilantro, avocado sauce, blend avocado, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. Fill the tortillas with lentils, tomato, and onion. Add a spoonful of avocado sauce and garnish with fresh cilantro. Benefits: high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, this dish is perfect for a light and nutritious dinner. Optional snacks and beverages. 1. Energizing green smoothie. Ingredients: fresh spinach, banana, apple, lime juice, and coconut water. 2. Hummus with carrot and celery sticks, a quick and healthy option to curb hunger between meals. Ensuring adequate intake of essential nutrients in plant-based diets. One of the most common concerns when adopting a plant-based diet is the possibility of not obtaining all the necessary nutrients for good health. However, with proper planning and the right knowledge, it's entirely possible to follow a balanced diet that meets all essential nutrient needs. Here, I'll explain the key nutrients and how to ensure your body gets everything it requires. Key nutrients and how to get them. 1. Protein. The body's building blocks. Many believe protein is only found in animal products, but that's a myth. Protein is present in a variety of plant-based foods. 1. Main sources. Legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and beans. Soy products like tofu, tempeh, and edamame. Quinoa and amaranth, considered complete proteins. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds. To ensure complete proteins, combine different plant-based foods, such as rice and beans or whole grain bread with peanut butter. 2. Iron. Energy for your body. Iron is essential for transporting oxygen in the blood, and plant-based diets can easily meet this requirement. 1. Main sources: spinach, kale, and other leafy greens. Lentils, chickpeas, and tofu. Dried fruits like raisins and dates. To enhance absorption of non-heme iron from plants, pair these foods with a source of vitamin C, such as citrus fruits, strawberries, or bell peppers. 3. Calcium. Bone health without dairy. Although calcium is commonly associated with dairy, plants are excellent sources of this mineral too. 1. Main sources: fortified plant-based milks, soy, almond, oat. Calcium set tofu. Vegetables like broccoli, bok choy, and kale. Sesame seeds and tahini. Include a variety of these sources in your diet to maintain strong, healthy bones. 4. Vitamin B12. A challenge in plant-based diets. Vitamin B12 is perhaps the only nutrient not naturally found in sufficient amounts in plant sources. It's essential for the nervous system and red blood cell formation. 1. How to get it. Fortified foods like breakfast cereals and plant-based milks. Vitamin B12 supplements, recommended for those following a 100% plant-based diet. 5. Omega-3. Healthy fats for the brain. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for brain and heart health. 1. Main sources: flax seeds and chia seeds. Walnuts. Algae oil, an excellent vegan alternative to fish oil. A daily tablespoon of ground flax seeds or chia seeds can meet most of your omega-3 needs. 6. Zinc. Strong immune system. Zinc is essential for immune function and wound healing. 1. Main sources: legumes like chickpeas and lentils. Nuts, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. Whole grains. Including a variety of these sources in your diet will ensure adequate zinc intake. 7. Vitamin D. The sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is crucial for bone health and the immune system, but it's hard to get enough through food alone, whether plant-based or not. 1. How to get it. Moderate sun exposure. Fortified foods like plant-based milks and cereals. Supplements, especially if you live in a low sunlight area. By incorporating these tips, you can confidently embrace a plant-based lifestyle while ensuring your body receives all the nutrients it needs for optimal health. How to overcome common challenges when adopting a plant-based diet. Switching to a plant-based diet can be one of the most positive decisions for your health and the environment, but like any change, it comes with challenges. From adjusting to new eating habits to handling the opinions of others, encountering obstacles is normal. Here, I'll share practical strategies to overcome these barriers and stay motivated. 1. Where do you get your protein? Addressing myths and questions from others. One of the most common comments you'll hear is concern about protein. This myth stems from the misconception that only meat provides adequate sources of this nutrient. Explain that protein is found in many plant-based sources like legumes, tofu, nuts, and grains. Share concrete examples, such as a cup of cooked lentils containing nearly the same amount of protein as an egg. Stay calm and avoid arguments. Educating with facts and personal examples is much more effective than debating. 2. Finding options when eating out. Eating out can be challenging if you're not yet familiar with plant-based alternatives. 1. Strategies. Research restaurant menus beforehand. Many chains offer vegetarian or vegan options, and some even have dedicated menus. Don't be afraid to customize your orders, such as asking for a dish without cheese or substituting meat with extra vegetables. Carry plant-based snacks or quick meals if you're unsure about the available options. At a pizzeria, order a vegetable pizza without cheese and pair it with a salad. It's a simple and delicious way to stay true to your choices. 3. Skepticism or resistance from family and friends. Social support can be tricky, especially when your dietary choices differ from those around you. 1. How to handle it. Clearly explain your reasons, whether for health, environmental, or ethical motivations. Invite family members to try plant-based dishes that are delicious and approachable. Often, a good meal is the best way to convince them. Don't feel obligated to justify every decision. Remember, this is your personal choice, and you don't need everyone's approval. Over time, your changes might inspire others to explore this lifestyle. How to integrate a plant-based diet into your life sustainably. We've reached the final part of this journey. Now that we've explored the health benefits, environmental impact, delicious recipes, and strategies for overcoming challenges, it's time to talk about something essential: how to sustainably integrate this lifestyle for the long term. It's not just about making temporary changes but building a habit that will stay with you for life. 1. Take a gradual approach. There's no need to overhaul your diet overnight. In fact, many experts recommend a gradual approach to ease adaptation and avoid burnout. 1. Start with small steps. Dedicate 1 day a week to eating only plant-based foods. This approach, known as Meatless Monday, can be an excellent way to start. Replace one animal-based food at a time, like swapping cow's milk for plant-based milk or beef burgers for legume patties. Evaluate your progress weekly and adjust as needed. The important thing is to keep moving forward, even if it's little by little. 2. Make it delicious. The sustainability of any diet depends on how much you enjoy the food you eat. Spend time learning to cook plant-based dishes. There are countless online resources with recipes ranging from simple to gourmet. 1. Explore new recipes and flavors. For example, try lentil curry, cauliflower tacos, or chickpea burgers. If there are dishes you love, look for plant-based versions. For instance, make a lasagna with eggplant layers and vegan cheese or a pizza with roasted vegetables. 3. Build a supportive community. Adopting a new lifestyle is much easier when you have the support of people who share your goals. Many communities of plant-based eaters offer tips, recipes, and moral support. 1. Join local or online groups. Look for groups on social media, forums, or local events related to sustainable eating. Share your favorite dishes with friends and family. Often, they'll enjoy the food as much as you do and might feel inspired to join this lifestyle. 4. Simplify your choices. One of the keys to maintaining this lifestyle is to avoid overcomplicating it. Having a weekly menu or at least an idea of your meals will help you avoid impulsive decisions that might derail you. Always keep versatile foods like brown rice, quinoa, lentils, chickpeas, canned tomatoes, and spices on hand. This allows you to whip up quick, healthy meals. 5. Don't aim for perfection. One of the biggest enemies of sustainability is perfectionism. It's possible that at some point, you'll consume an animal product or eat something processed, and that's okay. What matters is that, overall, your choices support a plant-based diet. Every small decision counts and makes a positive impact. Always remember why you decided to adopt a plant-based diet. Whether it's for your health, the environment, or ethical reasons, keeping that emotional connection to your values will make this lifestyle more meaningful and easier to sustain in the long run. Think of the cumulative impact. Every plant-based meal you choose not only improves your well-being but also helps reduce emissions, save water, and protect biodiversity. It's a tangible way to make a difference in the world. Adopting a plant-based diet isn't just a change in your eating habits, It's a transformation in how you live. From improving your health to caring for the planet, the benefits are immense and accessible to everyone. I invite you to take the first step today. Try a new recipe, plan a plant-based meal, or simply reflect on how you can integrate this lifestyle into your routine. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tips on health and nutrition. See you in the next video. This video is for informational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor for specific guidance on your situation.